It's Mark from WinningSolutionsInc.com and Microsoftaccessexpert.com, and I'm coming to you from the Day 2 of the Microsoft Worldwide Partner Conference in Orlando. And Day 2 was off to a good start. My first session was, what will your business be worth in the cloud era? Now, like a lot of business conferences, one should understand that Microsoft is trying to teach their partners, and that's what this is a partner conference, how to be successful and how to manage their businesses properly. Now, as it turns out, though, there is some, and that's what this session was about. Now, as it turns out, there is some applicability of this session to our customers because some of our customers are actually taking the Access databases or other Microsoft-based technology, websites, web applications, things that we create, and they're marketing them on to other end customers. And so if you fall into one of those categories and you're one of those customers or thinking about doing that with your application, maybe we've built a great application for you that you're running inside your business and you're thinking, hey, there are other businesses that are going to want to run this application too. Why don't I sell that to them? So as you may have talked with me or other account reps at WSI, we do provide a service where you don't have to go out and hire all your own programmers and manage all the infrastructure, and where WSI you can even outsource your tech support, inbound phone traffic, emails, and website chats to us, and we'll take care of all of that stuff for you. So all you have to do is have the idea and the capital to get it built, and then we'll get it built. And of course, one other very important thing is the ability to get your software application sold and get people to buy it. But if that's something that comes easy for you, those other things that might be very difficult, such as the programming, the tech support, dealing with the people, having the staff, maintaining the staff, managing the staff, dealing with all their benefits, all of those things, if those are things that you don't want to deal with, WSI will deal with all of that stuff for you. And then, we also provide future customization. So, if you have certain customers who want to customize their application to their business, we can further customize it for them or keep it the same for all your customers. So, if this is something you're doing now or you're interested in doing, feel free to talk with us more about that. But anyway, in this session, we learned some great things. So what did we learn? Well, we learned that of all the different types of IT business, and you probably consume different IT services, such as the people who come fix your computers, which might be us or might be a different company if you're not near one of our offices. They have different ways of charging for that. They have different margins that they make on that. So it turned out of all these different types of things, that was one of the lowest margin things people could do right after selling computer hardware, which of course has become a totally commoditized business. So what was the highest revenue thing, turns out, was developing something that's based on your own intellectual property, meaning you came up with the software, it's your copyright, you own it, and now you want to sell it on to other, or license it on to other people. And the reason that this is so valuable is because it creates recurring revenue. And this is what business consultants and people buying businesses to look for when they're acquiring a company. So if someday you think, I'd like to retire and I'd like to have an income and I'd like to be able to sell my business, this might be a great way to do it. So, if you actually use the application that we build for you in your business, that's great. And, there's certainly one opportunity to sell your business, and that application enhances the value of your business. So don't underestimate what having a great customized database that truly lets you run and manage your business properly the way that's made you successful as a business owner. That's very valuable. So be sure to convey that value to someone who's looking at buying your business, whether that's when you're retiring or if you just decide to sell your business and start something new or move on. So and then there's the other business. If you want to add a new business or augment your business by selling your application on to others, we can help provide a lot of the tough and difficult and painstaking parts of that process, such as the programming, the tech support, and that sort of thing. So anyway, what Microsoft's consultants were here teaching us is that that's a very high margin business. In fact, they're saying that it was the highest margin of all the IT services oriented businesses, at in excess of 65% margins are achievable. So that's fantastic. So if that's something you're looking at getting into, you can contact us through our website if you're not an existing customer at winningsolutionsinc.com or microsoftaccessexpert.com. And maybe you've already got a fully built out solution that you've built yourself, but you're looking for someone to provide the tech support or enhance it, or possibly you have an Access application that needs to be converted up onto the cloud or web. That can be very powerful, because by doing that, that would allow you to easily sell subscriptions versus just selling on a one-time basis and sending the software out to your customer. Of course, you could license it to them and charge an annual fee, but people really do like the cloud-based solution, because then they don't have to have a server, they don't have to set it up, and it's great for you because then you can turn it on and turn it off. If someone's not paying you, they don't have your software, you just shut off their account. So there's some huge advantages to that. So if you're looking to get into things like that, again, our website is winningsolutionsinc.com and microsoftaccessexpert.com. Once you get to the website, you can call us, email us, chat with us online, Skype us, whatever you want to do. And we'd love to talk to you about it and see if we can help you achieve some of this type of revenue and grow your income. So for that, I'm going to head on to my next session here. We'll have some more videos for you, hopefully getting posted here as quickly as we can. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have some comments, feel free to post those, but the best way is to go to our website and reach out to us directly so that we can respond to you. Thanks very much for watching the video. Have a great day.